Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about partnership deed and the rules should be applied in absence of partnership deed. So the very first question that arises is, what is a partnership deed? For that, I would like to answer that partnership deed is a formal written agreement. It defines the terms and conditions of a business, that is partnership business between or among two or more people or partners. This document outlines each partner's rights, responsibilities, capital contribution, profit and loss sharing, and operational procedure, serving to prevent future conflicts. It provides the clarity on their roles within the firm. But in case if the partnership deed is absent, then certain rules should be applied. They are as follows. The first rule is about profit and loss sharing. In absence of partnership deed, the profits and the losses should be shared equally, regardless of their capital contribution. Second one is interest on capital. No interest is payable on the capital contributed by the partners. So there will be no interest on capital. Next is interest on drawing. No interest should be charged on the money withdrawn by the partners. The fourth one is salary or commission to the partners. So they are not entitled to receive or get any salary or commission in the absence of partnership deed. Interest on loan. If any of the partners has provided loan to the business, then they are entitled to get 6% interest per annum on the loan provided by them. Management rights. Every partner has the right to participate in the management and conduct of the business. So these were the certain rules that should be applied when the partnership deed is absent. Thank you.